Welcome everyone to today's video, where we're delving into the intriguing realm of mobile video editing applications. Today, our focus is on two heavyweights in this field, CapCut and KineMaster. The aim of this discussion is clear-cut, to offer you a comprehensive guide that will help you determine which of these editing platforms best aligns with your specific video production needs. First off, let's tackle the pressing question of who should ideally be using CapCut and who would be better suited for KineMaster. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of video editing, CapCut may be the optimal platform for you. Its user interface is highly intuitive, making it straightforward even for novices. For instance, if you're crafting a basic video montage for a birthday or an anniversary, CapCut provides user-friendly tools that won't overwhelm you. Additionally, if you're someone who loves creating short, impactful videos for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, CapCut offers various templates that can simplify your workflow. And for those on a tight budget, CapCut is a godsend, as it's completely free to use. On the flip side, KineMaster seems tailored for individuals with a more nuanced understanding of video editing. It's perfect for those who are after robust capabilities, willing to dive deep into features like layer-based editing, chroma keying, or 3D transitions. For example, if you're a budding filmmaker wanting to experiment with green screen effects, KineMaster provides the tools for that. It is especially suited for those aiming to produce videos that have a professional flair. However, do note that this comes at a price, as you would need to opt for in-app purchases or a subscription to unlock all of KineMaster's features. Next on the agenda is a meticulous comparison of features between CapCut and KineMaster. When it comes to user-friendliness, CapCut takes the cake with its intuitive and accessible interface. KineMaster, while feature-rich, caters to an audience with an intermediate to advanced skill set in video editing. Concerning features, CapCut provides you with essential tools you'd expect, such as trimming and cropping capabilities, adding transitions, and even offers a built-in library of music and sound effects. For example, if you're creating a video blog, you can easily add background music from CapCut's library. KineMaster outshines CapCut in the advanced feature set. Think multi-track timelines for complex projects, green screen support for special effects, and a wider variety of video effects like slow motion or reverse video. If you're thirsty for additional insights, I would highly recommend exploring tech journalism websites like PCMag, TechRadar, and CNET. These platforms often publish in-depth reviews that dissect the pros and cons of each app. Similarly, YouTube offers a plethora of side-by-side comparison videos that can be invaluable. Moreover, you can skim through customer reviews on app stores to get a sense of what everyday users think about these platforms. To wrap things up, both CapCut and KineMaster come with their unique sets of pros and cons. CapCut is your go-to for a hassle-free, beginner-friendly experience, particularly if you're mindful of your budget. KineMaster, however, stands out as the more potent tool for experienced editors who require a broad spectrum of advanced features. The ultimate test, though, is personal experience. I strongly advocate downloading both apps and spending some time with each to discern which one better suits your particular needs and preferences. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information valuable, kindly consider giving us a thumbs up, and, if you haven't already, do subscribe for more insightful content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to drop your experiences or questions about CapCut and KineMaster in the comments section below.